Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video I show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Today we are going to I'm going to show you what to do after the installation. What are the commands or tools to install firstly on your new Kali Linux. As you can see here, I'm going first for the screen. I'm going to arrange the screen to modify the screen. Come here on view, virtual screen, and you choose the screen you want. I like this one. So now what to do? Here you come on devices. Maybe if you want to copy from from your host machine to your Kali Linux, you can create a share folder, but the easiest way is to come here on share clipboard. Maybe you copy a text on your host and you want to paste it on your Kali. You come here, you click on be directional, so that even though you copy on your Kali, you can also paste it on your host machine. You come again on grab and gop. You click on also on be directional. Here is maybe when you want to share files. For example, this one I put in my what is happening. Maybe let me choose this one. Okay, we go again. Okay, as you can see, I have pasted on my Kali. So now let's open our terminal. Okay, now if you want to zoom your terminal, you just have to press on Control Shift and plus. Okay, as you can see, we have zoom on the Kali terminal. So what is the first command? We are going now to update our system. Sudo apt update. Yes, we update the package. We enter our password. Okay, we wait a minute. Okay, now for packages can be upgraded. Run apt lib. Okay, now we use sudo apt upgrade. Here is upgrade to upgrade these four packages. Okay, let's upgrade. Okay, we have our system is already upgraded. Now maybe if we want to install, no, if we want to see our IP address, we use IPA. I'm going to show you here at the ETH0. It's here that we see our IP. Here is our IP address slash. Here is our IP address. Here is not the IP address. Here is the loop already seen our IP address. Now let's clear the terminal. Now let's install git sudo apt install git. Git, if we leave it like this, okay, we can also use this command with the yes. This one stand for yes. Okay, this one stand for yes. So now let's install network tools. apt install net tools. Okay, net tools are installed. Now we can use this command ifconfig. Here is another way to see our IP address. Okay, let me show you. Here is the same loopback that I have shown you previously. Here is the same. Here is our IP address. Here is the net mask, and here is the postcard. Okay. Maybe now, if we are going to install the firewalls, sudo with the command sudo apt install ufw with this yes. Okay, now the firewalls are installed. So now I'm going to clear first the terminal. So I'm going to enable the firewalls. Sudo ufw enable. Now we enable our firewall. Firewall is active and enabled on system startup. So now we are going to see if the firewalls are really if they are really enabled. So sudo ufw statue. Okay, our firewall is active. So now for those, if I want to maybe change the password of my Kali, I use a command pass wg. Okay, but I'm not going to change my password. I'm not going to change my password. I'm not going to change my password. I'm not going. I have opened another terminal. Let's open another terminal. Okay. So now maybe if we want, oh no, I'm going to show you another one. Sudo, if you want to reboot the system without pressing on the button of your machine, you can use this one, sudo reboot. I'm not going to click enter. It was just to show you. Or you can also use this command: sudo shutdown, sudo shutdown r now. When you click on it, your Kali shut down. So now if you want to see all the commands that we have used so far, we just use the command history. Here are, as you can see, here are all the commands that we use. Here are all the commands that we use. All the commands are here, as you can see. Another tools, maybe I know in map it's already installed. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you and see you